Do you think one should focus on the industry, or do you think one should focus on the subject? So let me give you an example. So as you give an example of supplements. So
Mm-hmm.
if I was a copywriter today, what
Mm-hmm.
would you recommend for me to niche down saying, hey, I am a copywriter who only work for Amazon brands, or
Okay.
I am a copywriter who only work for supplements. So in that case, I can write listings, I can write landing pages, I can write funnels, I can write ads, I can write different kind of copy, right? Only for supplements. But in
Yes.
this case, I write for a lot of things, maybe a table, maybe a chair, but only for Amazon
Mm-hmm.
brands. Which one would
Yeah.
you recommend?
So I would recommend going for the niche like supplements, because if you know direct response copywriting, you are surely familiar with the concept of landing page or offer creation. So those landing pages sell for like $5,000. You can easily get a landing page order for 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 if you have good skill set. But on Amazon, you cannot get the equivalent price because it's not worth it. If it's actually not worth it on spending that much of money on this copywriting, because Amazon, the Amazon side is not 80% dependent on copywriting, but the funnel building or the creation side is highly dependent on the copy only. Because if you don't have a good copy, your offer won't stand out, and if you don't have a good copy, your emails or your upselling page or your cross selling page wouldn't work. So yeah, you have to focus on the niche instead of focusing or staying dependent to the marketplace.